Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Grasim Industries. Grasim is the ticker name, and you are right now watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart of Grasim, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed on the stock, and these are all the technical indicator graphs that are generated by these technical indicators related to this stock. Regarding Grasim, we have data since 2004 onwards up to 2017 November 13th. Okay, now if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, you can clearly see there is a lot of sideways movement up to a very long time since 2004 onwards, and I can see, yeah, from August 2013 onwards, the real upward movement started. The recent upward movement, that's what we can say, because there are a lot many times. I mean, yeah, even we can take this point also. October 2008 onwards, actually the movement has started, but I am keeping crosshairs here so that you can clearly see actually up to this point lot of sideways movement, and again at this level again a lot of sideways movement like this. So okay, I am taking this as origin, and since October 2008 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction, making new highs, very low, and actually it is like, it is not a high. It is taking a lot of time, and just inching up is a few centimeters. That's how it is moving up, and like a snail. Okay, that's what I can say. Snail is the right word, actually, right, comparison for this stock. And it is moving like a snail up to this point. And from since April 2016 onwards, there is a, if you see the angle has has changed, and literally it started moving up, so that in a vertical manner, and consistently it made a second high, and after that it went for a consolidation. The pattern of the stock is something like this, actually. A new high and a consolidation, new high and a consolidation, like that it has been doing. And occasionally it went for a sideways movement also, and two times, twice it did, and the sideways movement itself has spanned a number of a few years, actually. That's how it happened. But recently, since 2016 onwards, the stocks really started moving in the upward fashion without any sideways movement. And right now, two consolidations happened. Okay, and right now it is undergoing the second consolidation. Okay, after this consolidation phase, again, as per the expectation, based on its historical path pattern, the stock should move in the upward direction, like this, like this. Here it will do like this. Okay, and right now, since it is in the consolidation phase, this is the right moment for any investor. I mean, people who are interested in stock to buy and hold it, and so that, once the price starts moving in the upward direction, then they can get benefited. Okay, the stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is under the influence of a positive super trend mode, which is very good. If you look at the relative strength of the stock, it is down right now. It is just above the midpoint and below the top line. And if you look at the, which is not good. And if you look at the direction strength of the stock, that is increasing. And if you look at both the positive and negative lines, yeah, green and red lines, they are diverging, which is a good sign. But overall, yeah, ADX direction sector stock is good. If you look at the stochastics has right now playing, both lines are playing at midpoint, and you can clearly see just now the fast line has crossed the slow line. You can at the tip, and just now, but they are diverging. It looks like they are diverging also, but they are in the initial phase, so can't be considered, because they are not up to the benchmark level. And if you look at the price volume change, you can see I'm keeping crosses here, so that you can clearly see the slope, the volume is increasing. Okay, and if you look at the momentum is crashing, though it is playing on top of the baseline zero line. It is right now coming down step by step, like this. So the stock is lacking strength, lacking momentum, and these two are the important factors which is lacking right now. But the direction strength of the stock is there. So maybe, because right now the stock is in the consolidation phase, that is the reason why these technical point indicators are throwing these kind of guiding points. We are getting mixed signals here. Stochastics is also in the initial phase, and the positive points are only stochastics, which is in the initial phase, which we cannot consider right now. And if you look at the direction strength of the stock, direction strength is good, but that itself is not enough. So all these things are there. So that is the reason why this, right now, in the consolidation phase, These indicators are giving mixed signals. That's what we can clearly see. But if you look at the overall trend of the stock, there is a consistent this thing from the point of the stock that to move itself in the to move its price in the upward direction. Effort, okay, that effort is there from the stock point, and we can clearly see that the consistent highs here, and Grasim Industries, as you guys know, it is not just recently born industry. It's like it's not a recent newcomer in the market. It has been there for past so many years, and it is a very popular industry, and it is a very popular brand name. So, looking at all the things, looking at the fundamental strength of the stock, and looking at the guiding points thrown by the technical indicators at this moment, so I still consider this stock has some potential when it comes to the long-term investment, and I recommend this stock for long-term investment. But though I put this stock in under the category of a slow-pace moving stock, because okay, yeah, it's a slow-pace moving stock because the stock if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, there is a lot much sideway movement without any particular direction, and the stock is it is lacking direction for most of the time. Only recently it found its direction and started moving in the upward direction, and that's how it happened, and that's how it is moving actually right now, and it is under consolidation phase at this moment. That is why the stock is going down a little bit, there is a hope, there is a chance, and as per the pattern, historical price path pattern, that stock will move up after this consolidation. So that sort of signals are there. So because of all these reasons, I mean, as per my analysis, I conclude that the stock can be considered for long-term investment, but this is a slow-paced rising stock. Okay, guys, if you like these analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.